Hello, parents! If you're looking for a simple, easy, and reliable way to collect a urine sample from your child, you've come to the right place. Urinap is the first non-invasive method to collect a sterile urine sample without causing stress to your baby. Let's go through this process. Before opening the Urinap kit, begin by thoroughly washing your hands. Then open the kit and prepare all the components for use. Each Urinap kit contains a special Urinap pad, a sterile urine container, a syringe for extracting urine, a pair of gloves, protective foil, and an instruction manual. Now it's time to prepare your baby. Thoroughly wash the baby's intimate areas with soap and water, then dry by wiping from front to back. Avoid using creams, powders, or any other products on your baby's skin. Ensure that all components are placed on the protective sheet. Put on the gloves and prepare the diaper in which you will place the pad. Carefully place the Urinap pad inside the diaper with the blue side facing down and the white side up. Ensure the Urinap is correctly and securely positioned where the baby urinates. Put the diaper on your baby and regularly check if the pad inside the diaper is already wet. As soon as it becomes wet, with gloves on, carefully remove the diaper and take out the pad. If the pad is contaminated, you will need to start again. Prepare the container and syringe for the urine collection. While wearing gloves, open the pad from the side and remove the absorbent insert. Carefully roll up the absorbent insert and place it into the syringe. Then, open the container and gently squeeze the urine out. Seal the urine container securely. The sample is now ready. You can either take it immediately to the laboratory or conduct a quick preliminary test for infection at home. To do this, you can use the UTI test, which will allow you to quickly check for bacteria in the sample. Due to its affordability, you can always keep a few tests at home for convenience. Take care of your child's health with Urinap.